What is going on, believers? It is Thursday morning, August the 11th, and Bitcoin is on a tear right now.
Bitcoin is mooning.
We're going to check the price chart. We're going to get an idea of where we're going. We're going to take some guesses about where we'll end up. This is not financial advice, but I'm always right.
I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid. I'm checking my coins around breakfast, then again around bedtime. Bet this, it's not financial advice, but I'm always right. 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 I'm always right.
All right, believers, if you follow me for any length of time, you know that I have told you that we are now officially in the beginning of the bull run. When we look back at when the bull run started, we're going to look back to this moment in time because all of the charts are indicative of that happening.
Charts are awesome.
And we're going to see this thing play out pretty cool. Now, that being said, Bitcoin is currently trading at 24,750. We have hit this golden pocket. And as you can zoom in and see, we have been in the golden pocket for 8 hours now. With that sort of support line and with it continuing to moon, the question now becomes, where does Bitcoin go from here? And the answer is most probably 28,000. The pre-morning markets on, again, this is Thursday, August the 11th. The pre-morning markets on the United States charts are showing that it's up even after a giant 500-point increase on the Dow Jones the previous day. The SPY ended, I cannot believe that it did this, but it ended at 419.9. We couldn't even get a 420 out of it.
420 is for weed.
Which is crazy because, you know what? We should have gotten to 420. Now, the important thing here is this. Bitcoin is on the run. Will it sustain? Well, we've already had a high. We topped out just in this hour at 24,929. And it doesn't appear like the run is over. There is still a rush. Every time we see some sells triggered, we are seeing more buys being entered. Now, of course, at 25,000, one of those numbers that is going to cause a little bit of a sell-off just because that's the spooky way people do things by thousands. So there's going to be a lot of sells set at 25,000 right now. When they happen, that'll liquidate us probably back down to around 24,000 as we prepare for the next run-up. But that next run-up is coming today. Now, remember, in the morning, we might see a little bit of a rush as the markets wake up and as we start to see the United States unfold and see if they're interested in crypto, because risk asset is important for them, and it's getting more important by the day because we are in the start, again, of the bull market.
Believes is always right.
And I am always right. So that being said, I feel like we're getting to that moment. Moving on. Okay, guys, we are at the dawn of the golden pocket.
Golden pocket.
And that means that we are going to go on an epic run. It should take us to about 28,000. I've predicted multiple times 27.5 based on volume profiles. 27.5 looks to be the number. We do not have a lot of strength. I want to stress in this market that we don't show a lot of strength. So it's probably that we're going to end up fighting every step of the way.
Fighting rules.
And that's going to create some opportunities for sellers to bring the price down. We're going to get a little bit of that bearish trend, but fear not, we are on our way up. Now, obviously, there's healthy corrections that are going to happen from time to time. But generally speaking, guys, we are in a bull run. We are set to see Bitcoin up to 27.5. We're going to have this run. It's coming. You can see right now that the bulls are very interested in pushing this price up. Now, the only thing that can stop that is negativity and bad news. And looking across the boards, I don't see any huge bad news or red flags that are happening right now. So I think that for the moment, we can just enjoy the run.
Runs are stupid.
And take profits. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves, and I am always Right.
Sing it.